As the government begins a push to get students to have fewer sugary drinks, one school in St. Andrew is forging ahead. It's already doing exactly that. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell has this look in this primetime news follow-up.
It's an idea Principal of Tarrant Primary in St. Andrew, Thelma Porter, had been toying with for years.
We don't stock the sodas.
She stopped stocking sodas and bagged juice a year ago as part of a push to get students to eat better because too much sugar is unhealthy. So what is the substitute?
We have peanut flavored milk, we have cherry milk, and to a lesser extent chocolate milk. And we have the fruit bag juice.
The school uses soy milk, so children who cannot digest milk won't have a problem. But some people have been arguing that sodas and bag juice are much cheaper.
The fruit bag juice is for $30 and the milk is for $70. Good, the soda that we used to sell is for $60, so it's just a $10 difference.
Even though the school is trying to provide healthier drinks for students, there is a problem. Vendors selling outside the gate.
I can encourage the children, which I do. I encourage them to support their canteen and the tuck shop. But that's as far as it goes. I can control what I do inside here. Many of the parents are supportive of this, but some of the parents also are the ones who actually pay for the lunch from outside or pay for the sodas from outside.
And speaking of lunch, this is not just about what the students drink. Ms. Porter says the school also decided to do healthier meals for the children. We visited the kitchen and met with the school's cook, Carlo Jo Saunders. Mrs. Saunders, what's on today's menu?
Well, today we have pineapple chicken with rice and peas. We also have curried turkey neck with vegetable rice and stir-fried vegetables.
According to Mrs. Saunders, the menu is often decided between her and the principal. For Ms. Porter, this is a far difference from what the school usually offered.
Mainly fried chicken, fries, rice and peas. That was predominantly what we had every day.
But is the new menu with more vegetables affordable to students?
We have not changed the cost. It remains at $200 and $250.
Mrs. Saunders, the school's cook, goes to the market weekly. According to Mrs. Saunders, the cost for healthier food items is far less than unhealthy foods. Take, for example, vegetable stir-fry, a dish that is on the menu Monday.
Well, right now we can get cabbage for like $30 a pound. We get carrot, which is expensive right now, so it's $120 a pound for carrots. No, sweet pepper is not too bad. It's like $120. Tomatoes, $50 a pound.
This works out to roughly less than $500. But let's compare this to chicken and chips, a less healthy meal.
Pack of fries is like $1,200 to the pack now, which can serve about 10 children or 10 students, right? But for the chicken, it's $200 a pound, so that would be way more expensive than doing a vegetable dish.
Ms. Porter says overall the school budget is way less than before.
Previously, we were spending more than $100,000. Let's say about $50,000–$60,000 per week multiplied by 4. Yes, sometimes it would go up to way over $150,000. Now it's approximately $30-something thousand each week. So it's been working for us.
So how can other schools follow suit?
Leaders of schools should just decide to take the bull by the horns. Look at your school population. Decide on what's right for them in terms of nutrition. We've been hearing reports all over the world about obesity in children, diabetes in children, and so we just have to do what we have to do.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.